and this is a Yamaha YG 6600DE 120 240 generator. It's a big boy. So what happened, I was trying to start the generator, and I think the pull cord already wore out from the previous owner, maybe grinding it from here, and it snapped, it cut off. So I'm not gonna say this is my fault. I think it came from the previous owner, and this is how we're gonna repair, or we're gonna replace it. This is, I went to the store, I ended up getting something very similar. I think it will work for our application. So you guys will see how we're gonna do this on the channel with the JW Solar USA, and there's the other part of it, the nut. And here I have my tools, and to take those 10 millimeter, and here is my butane professional blowtorch. I think you've seen the review. Go back onto my playlist and you'll see exactly about this guy here. We have to burn the end part of the string, the wire or the rope, so it will be really nice instead of started flicking like this. So let's go ahead and start pulling all these about 3 bolts down here and remove the starter. Like and subscribe. Alright guys, we got the thing out. So you see it's broken from here. So this is the recoil thing. So it has a spring in here that pressurizes the rope, and now it's all the way in here. So I have to take this thing and make sure it brought it all the way up here and angle it to the hole right there, and started winding approximately 4 times of this to tension that. And after that I'm going to release it, then started pulling the wire, the rope inside, which is this guy. Pull it back inside and see how we're going to get from there. Okay, so this is the broken one. I have to take the link and get it to run. All right, stay tuned. We're going to go back on time lapse. You guys can see that's the motor right here, and the attach clicks on this. When you pull the rope, there is 2 clips on the corner here that pops, that hold to the engine flywheel here. I call it a flywheel, to spin the engine. All right, like and subscribe. Stay tuned. All right guys, you just see what I just did. I took the rope out from this. So when you're about to pressure it, it goes, you gotta keep turning it. If you go right, you pressure that, pressure that, pressure that, then just like we're about to start. So it's a spring that holds it. Stay tuned. Well, I took the nut out, so it's just a solid nut. They tied, and this is the one that's broken. Then I gotta do a measurement now, how long this rope's supposed to be, and trying to put it back. I hope I didn't pop the spring. So let's hope not. Now we've got the length that I think is okay. It's the only thing is different. This rope is not stretchable. This one is kind of a little bit stretchy. I don't know, maybe it's gonna work. So this is what it is. Hold on and see what we're gonna do from here. Oh, before that, I'm gonna be showing you what I do. I gotta burn this side here. I have to tie the knot just like this, the knot. Okay, So I gotta burn this. You see how they do? They burn it here with a touch. I'll show you. So I have my my finder touch right here. So I'm gonna make sure I release the gas. So this is what it is. We're gonna burn this one a little bit, and be careful. You can go, ouch. You can go like that, and just so that it can just keep ripping up. Okay, this is what we have to do. This has to be aligned here, aligned with the hole. So we got to go 3 revolutions, 3 times spin, and we are ready to go and set it. Okay, so we're gonna go. One, you can see that it aligns. You're gonna align to these. It's 1, 2, 3. So we have it on the 3rd, and now we're gonna make sure we're gonna tie this other part to the handle right here. See that? This one goes right there. All right, stay tuned. Like and subscribe. All right, guys, we already put the wire in, and now look at the retractable. So pull this, pull in the thing. Is the handle right here. Pull in, then it's gonna start. Pull it, it's gonna start. Pull it. Look at the white things here. They open up and grab to this flywheel, whatever you call it, and start up the generator. So there you go. So all the time keep rubbing like this. When you pull, the rope is rubbing on the walls of this one. This is the why. This is the reason why they normally tend to break, because the friction anytime you starting like your generator has a hard starting. So anytime you pull, it's rubbing, so the wire just keep eating up, and that's it. So let's go back and put it back in, and we're gonna get done. Stay tuned. We're going back on time lapse. Alright guys, it's all done now. You guys can see we already fixed the push start cable. Seat out, engage. There you go. There you go. We can able to start now. So if we decide to fire up the engine, we're gonna make sure that we turn the gas on, get it on, and we gotta make sure the engine is turned on. Here, as you see, we make sure the engine is on. Okay, this is off and this is on. If the battery would have been there, I just push the button here, it start up. So the echo mode is off. Let's try it and see if it's on going echo mode. All the breakers are off. So stay tuned. Let's see how we're gonna start up this machine, if it's gonna work. Start up right away. Yeah. This is how you start. You fix the pull start cable on your generator. Now it's running. Back on business. Like and subscribe. Share the video USA. Love you guys all. Thanks for watching. Bye.